Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeSploit's exclusive series on mastering Linux. I know guys, this video is a bit late, and actually what to say, I have been a bit busy with my studies and exams. I'm actually in class 12 now. Okay, fine, let's leave all that and jump straight into the tutorial. So in my previous video we had learned about managing processes, about doing the ps command, its arguments, its switches, and the top command, as well as finally the kill command. So today, oh by the way, let me tell you one thing. We have actually processed a request. Many of you have requested to me about doing videos frequently and making short videos and not making it longer than 5 minutes. So we will try making the videos shorter than 5 minutes and regularly upload it like twice or thrice a week. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Today we will be basically taking a look about at the kill command, about more uses of the kill command actually. So in that case, first let's take a small revision. The kill command is actually used to first of all, before that, let me do a ps aux. The kill command is actually used to kill a specific process which is running in the background, and which needs no attention, and which is running just consuming a single processes. For example, I have this user lib tracker store. This process is running in the background, which is sleeping actually. SSL means sleeping, and you can see it is consuming 1.1% of my RAM and 0.1% of my CPU. So why should I let this why should I let this all happen? So what I will do, I will just simply do a kill followed by the process ID, which is 15 followed by 29. So if we do 1529 and then do a ps aux, you can see that one process 1529 has just disappeared. It means it got killed. Let me tell you another broad example of this. When we are doing kill followed by a simple PID, we are actually using the default kill or the termination switch, which is kill 15. So if we do a kill 15 followed by a simple PID, it is the same if we do a kill followed by the PID. So that basically makes no difference. But why did I mention this? This is actually useful in cases, for example, when a hacker is in a system and is exploiting your resources, like he's mining some data on it. So you can easily do a top command, and then you can get all the main running processes, which is the most time consuming and stuff. So you can just take a look at that and just determine which process is running. You can get the PID and what's next after that. So in that case, we will have to use the kill followed by -9 switch. The kill actually, so when the processes refuse to terminate even with the default kill command, we will have to use the most serious and the absolute terminator switch, which is the kill followed by this 9. This actually states the terminal, or which actually states the kernel to end a process immediately. For example, when we are doing a kill followed by the PID or kill 15 followed by the PID, we are just basically asking the process, or we are asking the process with that same PID that please just clean up all your cache and stuff and just exit. So this actually allows the process to clean up and gently terminate. But when a process is not it is not ending, or it is not terminating with this simple ps or simple kill command, we will have to use the absolute terminator switch, like kill followed by -9, which is kill, the absolute kill command, which tells the kernel that we just terminate this without any cleanup. We will just keep the cache and stuff and kill it without any prior notice. So if I have a process running here right there, 1515. So it is consuming 2% of a memory and 0.2% of a CPU. So why is this necessary? It's not necessary. So what I will do, we have this 1515 PID. So we will do kill 9 followed by 1515, which means the process will just terminate immediately without any intrusion of the user transmission and everything. It will just end up in that state. In case of Windows, you don't have anything, you just have end the process, but you can't always do that. But here in Linux, you have the absolute power. So this much only for today. I'll see you in the next video.